Hello and welcome to QuewsNews. I'm your host Moin Ahmed. Let me tell you about today's agenda: lithium batteries and pager devices. Viewers, Gold Apollo and Taiwanese companies known for manufacturing pager devices offers a product that has historically been valued for its simplicity and reliability. These pagers, capable of sending 100 words text messages, were once widely used before the era of mobile phones. Today, their usage is more niche, primarily serving security agencies and government officials due to their secure and offline communication capabilities. Despite the advantage of smartphones, pagers remain a useful tool in situations where security and confidentiality are paramount. However, the recent global events such as Israel's attacks on Hezbollah officials have highlighted the increasing risk posed by technology in modern warfare. In these attacks, Israel claimed to have demonstrated only a 2% of its technological capacity, hitting at a vast of potentially dangerous arsenal tools that could be unleashed in the future conflicts. The use of technology in the warfare is not new, but the sophistication of today's tools presents an unprecedented level of threat. There's another thing. One alarming development is the growing focus on lithium batteries, which powered many of the devices we use daily basis, like smartphones, laptops, household gadgets, and even solar panels. So think about it. These batteries, while essential for functionality of these devices, also carry an inherent danger. Recent discoveries shows through hardware or software alteration, lithium batteries can be weaponized and turned into mini bombs. This represents a critical security vulnerability. The ability to manipulate these widely available batteries means that everyday devices can be transformed into tools of destruction, creating new avenues for terrorism and sabotage. The consequences of these models for global and national security are profound. If hackers or malicious actors can alter devices remotely to turn batteries into explosive, entire infrastructure could be at risk. This includes not just government operations, but also critical sectors. For example, the banking system, healthcare, transportation, and communication. There is another thing, that financial institutions are especially vulnerable, as attacks on these networks or physical locations could lead to massive disruption. The ripple effect on the economy would be catastrophic, affecting everything from national GDPs to the global financial markets. Moreover, such vulnerabilities in everyday technologies also pose risk to personal privacy and safety, as our homes become increasingly smart with interconnected devices. The threat of cyber attacks becomes more pronounced, as altered devices from smartphone to a household gadget could be used to spy, sabotage, or even harm individuals remotely. Beyond these individuals and national risk lies the broader danger to international stability, as more countries develop sophisticated cyber warfare and technological capacities. The possibility of large-scale covert or untraceable attacks grows. Nations may no longer need to deploy armies or traditional weapons to cripple their enemies. A cyber attack targeting batteries and battery-powered infrastructure could be just as devastating. The idea that a seemingly benign devices could become a weapon disrupt conventional thinking about warfare, security, and defense strategies. And if we conclude this thing, the technological advancement we depend on every day bring them very serious security risks. The ability to weaponize widely used technologies like lithium batteries put the safety of nations, individuals, and essential services in jeopardy. As these risks grows, the need for enhanced security measures, stricter regulations on technological developments, and international cooperation to prevent technology-based attacks become even more pressing. The world is entering into a new era of digital warfare, where the threats are no longer just bombs and bullets, but the everyday device in our pockets and homes. Think about it.